We are excited to share the first look at our Microsoft Platform Planning approach. Platform Planning is an end-to-end planning solution, but not proprietary SaaS software. It is a planning app accelerator built entirely on Microsoft's platform, with familiar tools like Excel and Power BI, combined with newer offerings such as Fabric and Copilot. In this brief overview, we'll cover data management in Fabric, forecasting in Excel, reporting in Power BI, and user experience in a low-code Power App. Platform Planning brings all of these together in one unified solution. We start from the homepage of the planning app, which can be custom-built from the ground up with low-code, just like a website in Squarespace or Webflow. At the top, we have both management reporting and business reporting available. If we click into the executive summary, we can view a fully embedded Power BI report. The report is interactive, allowing for slicing and dicing to see different versions, different departments, and different time periods. If we click into the P&L detail, we can see financial reporting, key metrics, visualizations, dynamic VBAs, everything you would see with EPM software, and more. We also have another sample report, headcount detail, showing our trended headcount forecast with employee-level detail. We can also click through to Power BI for more options, such as exporting, sharing, drill through, or report editing. Power BI can cover reporting needs for leadership, the business, and FP&A. It provides top-notch reporting and visualization capabilities that surpass not only EPM solutions, but most BI solutions as well. Forecasting is handled in Excel models, providing you and your team with maximum flexibility and familiarity. Let's open this bookings and revenue model to start. Here we see a standard Excel model for forecasting an enterprise SaaS business. In this model, data tabs are pulled directly from Fabric and can be refreshed with a click. Cleansing of this data is handled upstream with Power Query. These export tabs are pushed back into Fabric, efficiently consolidating your forecast with one process. Everything in between is entirely up to you. Forecasting can be as simple or complex as you need it to be, covering everything from sales and revenue to cash flow. You can plug in your own models like this one, or we can help you build them from scratch. You can also leverage our pre-built templates for common use cases such as workforce planning. These templates handle areas like comp calculations and management of both existing employees and planned hires. More sophisticated forecasting, leveraging tools like AutoML, can be handled in Fabric, which we'll cover next. All of your reporting and forecasting is connected directly to a data hub in Microsoft Fabric. We can preview all of our data right here in the app. Here we have transaction-level detail and filtering available for all of our GL data. If we need more detail, we can also click through to Fabric to review the data source directly. Within Fabric, if we go to our FP&A workspace, we can see all the data integrations, and reporting associated with our app. Fabric is the source of truth for not only FP&A, but for the entire organization. In our FP&A workspace, we have a comprehensive data warehouse built with all of our planning data and master data. The interface is accessible to both business and technical users, built into the same portal as Power BI. Back in our workspace, let's go to create a new item. Here we can see all the business-facing data architecture, including data warehouses, lakehouses, and real-time event houses that can be built in Fabric. Fabric also has advanced analytical features for data science and predictive modeling. Most importantly, Fabric can handle all data integrations with Power Query-based data flows and data pipelines for orchestration. If we click into the data flow editor and select more sources, we can see Fabric's hundreds of pre-built connectors. Fabric has comprehensive ETL capabilities and the ability to connect with virtually any other data source, even mirroring other cloud databases in real time. Back in our app, we have a customized experience for managing the forecasting process. Clear process guides direct you through loading the data step by step for each data set. After loading data, you also have Power BI reporting to help validate results in real time. Scenario snapshotting built into the app provides guardrails for version control for both Excel and Fabric. You can also roll forward all of your models here each month. On this calendar page, you can manage the calendar and team tasks in the app, which has built-in data tables and workflows similar to Salesforce. On the scenarios page, you can also run multiple scenarios in parallel and review all historical models. Since you are using Excel, forecasting methodologies can be consistent or varied across a scenario. Power App data tables are also great for managing tricky areas such as vendor mapping and cleanup. Finally, Microsoft has multiple levels of security controls to make sure that everyone has appropriate access to the app and data. This is just a glimpse of the capabilities that platform planning can offer you and your team without specialized EPM software. This approach can cover any planning use case and scale from small businesses to Fortune 500 enterprises. If you're interested in learning more about this approach, we would love to hear from you.